Hello YouTube! Today we are in Amsterdam and we're going to do a little visit, walk on the streets, see if we can go check out one of those famous coffee shops and grab something to eat. Alright, so we're not allowed to film inside of the coffee shop. So I went inside and they had a little menu of about maybe 10 different kinds of pre-rolled joints. They had other options as well. They have a rule you have to be seated when you're smoking. So we're gonna go try it out and then we're gonna go explore the city some more.
One eternity later.
Look at this boat here. It has like a grass roof or some plants growing on it. Look at that. There's just like all these flowers here. Look at that. Right on the street. So nice. So beautiful. Look at that. Alright, there's a word I recognize. School. And bicycles. There's bicycles everywhere in the city. This is crazy. Look at that one. Just in case you were wondering. Got that? Space Cake Strong, Cannabis, Amnesia Brownie, Relaxed Mood Cannabis, Space Cake Extra Strong, Space Cake Medium, Space Cake Extra Strong, Green Gelato Brownie, Purple Haze. Oh, it even has a bell. There are literally no cars. No cars. Just bicycles and these electric buses that go around. There's cables up in the sky. There's no cars here. Bicycles and electric bus. That's it. If you're looking for a job, this shop is looking for people. Wanted, new or used colleague. There's another one. It's like the monorail at Disney. This one is actually pretty cool. Look at that. What's this? What do we have here? Ooh. That's nice. It's part of the structure. Really cool. I like that. What do you have here? Is the family eating? What are they doing? Just dipping some French fries. We'll have to figure out what that is. If anybody knows, let us know in the comment. Look at that one. I mean, can you even ride that? I don't even think you could ride that. There's Belle from Beauty and the Beast. And these things are really cool. I wonder if they slide up and down when the bike goes. Man, the city, I don't know if I've been on the street. I feel like I'm going in the wrong direction now. Everything looks the same. There's always boats and canals and bicycles.